Today we have the 2024 Ford Ranger Wildtrak. This vehicle has done just under 9,000 miles. It has an automatic transmission and a diesel fuel type. To the left of our steering wheel, we have cruise control as a feature, as well as voice control. Moving on to our screen, we can access navigation, Apple and Android CarPlay, smartphone integration and towing. If we put the vehicle into reverse, we can see that it comes with a parking camera with front and rear parking sensors. Just below we have our AC with heated seats on either side and our heated steering wheel function. As we go into the back of the vehicle, we can see that it has a full leather black interior.